Okay, here we go. We're going to release the butterflies. Ready?
Hey, look, it was drinking its food.
Here we go.
Oh, look, a butterfly's getting out. Here it goes. Hi, butterfly. It's time to go. They're not even going.
Give them time. Oh, I think he went and we missed it. Don't stick your face in there.
I'm not. I'm just watching them. Hey, look, a caterpillar thing. A caterpillars.
Are the chrysalises still there?
Yeah. They're not even going.
They'll go.
Where's that blood from?
From when they were born. When the chrysalises, when the butterflies popped out of their chrysalises. Off the table. Off the table. Off the table.
I'm not on the table. I'm just looking at them. See, they're not coming out.
They'll come out when they're ready.
I think one's going. Why are they moving their... I think that's one going. Is it going? Watch them. Here they go. He won!
Here comes his friend.
My goodness gracious! There they go.
Are there any more?
Hey, look! He's hiding in the grass.
He's hiding in the grass. He still has more friends in there.
But his other friends are not even leaving.
They'll go soon.
Why is there butterflies on the bottom?
Is he gonna go?
Look, he's drinking his food.
Give him some space. Move your head back. There you go.
But why can I not peek him? I want to see them regular. There's other ones. I think that guy is gonna go.